All right, viewers, are you ready? Hot Rod Power Tour starts tomorrow morning. Yeah, I made the hood scoop functional. I've made a few modifications on the truck. Maybe we'll talk about those. Maybe we won't. I am ready. Are you? It is an hour and 10 minutes away from my house where it starts in the morning. I am loaded up. I have provisions. Now the firewood is for my first night on Power Tour, where I'll be spending the night at my son's and we'll be having a bonfire. So that won't go on the whole trip, but there's lots to go on. New oil pressure gauge. Told you I'd put that in before we left. Made the hood scoop functional. Didn't talk about that, but I did it. I cut out the hood and I drilled some holes. I want cooling galore. I've added a cooling additive. We'll talk about that. This is the first video. Hot Rod Power Tour 2025. Getting things ready. Pick up my buddy in the morning. We'll go register and yeah, we'll hang out. I don't know what you'll see exactly. I'm not going to do a play-by-play, a minute-by-minute. I'm going to do some stuff. Yeah, it's just my channel. Do whatever the fuck I want, right? All right. Awesome. See you soon.